Hello kids, this is teacher Yumi and today let us learn about diphthong. Diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves toward another. Here we have the combination of the short eh sound and the schwa sound, which is ah. To make this sound, first say eh. Then move your tongue backwards and close your mouth a bit to say ah, air, air, air as in fair, pear, hair, air, lair, where, bear, there, care, share. One more time, fair, pear, hair, air, lair, where, bear, there, care, share. And this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Thank you and God bless everyone.